Hi guys! In this video, we're going to practice using Move tool to move a panel or to clone a panel. First, to move a panel, select the tool. Then select the panel. Left-click on a point on it and move it up or down. And we can hold arrow keys to block the axis. For example, move it along the blue axis with the up arrow key. Then snap to a point or enter a distance. For example, 100. Then hit Enter key. Or just left-click where you want to put it. Or we can snap to a point. For example, snap to this panel. Next, to clone a panel, select the tool, select the panel, grab a point on it, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard, and move the panel. Then left-click. Otherwise, we can also type in a distance. Again, select the tool, select the panel, grab a point, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard, then release the Ctrl key. Type in a distance and hit Enter key. So this is how we use Move tool to move a panel or clone a panel. For other tool instructions, see you in the next videos.